What's going on, guys? Here's your boy Dre again. We're gonna be talking about North American Motor Club. Okay, North American Motor Club. Okay, let's talk about this company. Let's expose it, right? Man, there's so many. There's people very ridicule, in this world. I don't know. So, anyways, this company, guys, offers roadside assistance and has a package of different benefits that complement this service, right? So once you join, you pay $48 to join and 24 monthly. Okay, all right. So let's see what they offer. Okay, they offer a loyalty rewards membership, which includes unlimited roadside assistance, uh, discounts, locksmith, and all that stuff that you can find in other companies as well. But they have something very different to other companies like MCA, right? MCA does like some type of MLM, uh, you know, uh, type of MLM compensation plan. Motor Club, North American Motor Club offers a affiliate program, okay, which is different. So you're gonna get a commission based on your sales or based on how many people you can recruit to help, advertise this company. It's all about using the services, the products, right, and advertising the company. It's all about that. If you wanna build a team of people just advertising it like we did with MCA, and we did good money with them, you are welcome to do that. Okay, if you want to offer the services and and the benefits, you can go ahead and do that. Whatever you want to offer, you can go out there and offer, right? So you can come to this page using the link down below in the comments. Okay, there's a link in the description and in the comments. Well, that it's gonna take you here to this page where you can sign up. It's very easy to sign up. You go to the end of the page, I believe, right, for the opportunity. Okay, or right here in the top for the opportunity, and then you just go and sign up right there. Boom. You pay $48, 24 monthly. The good thing is that you get paid $40 out of every 48 that you sell. Okay, if you sell a membership, you get $40 back, and the company keeps 8. That's that's a great. I mean, that's great, guys. Think about it. Okay, what company is gonna give you 85% of their commission on front? I mean, this company is giving you $40 on front out of 48. On top of that, you get $10 residual every month, every time one of your affiliates or one of your clients renew their membership. That is great. Okay, you can't beat that. Sorry. Okay, this is gonna be great. This is gonna be a great opportunity. I hope people can see the value on this, and this how this is gonna help. This is what everybody's been waiting after MCA, guys. Believe me, there's a lot of companies going down right now. They started very, very good. They started up, and now they started to, going down. Like, I'm not gonna mention any companies because I don't wanna bash nobody's companies, but you know what company I'm talking about. Okay, there's like 3 companies that they took over MCA after MCA changed the compensation plan, and now those companies they started losing affiliates like crazy. Okay, so no wonder all these people they are like, you know what? No, we don't need another MCA. We don't need another company like MCA to come out. Hell no, that's the perfect niche. People's gonna go over there. Join today. Okay, join now. The link is down in the comments. Once you join, you're gonna join our group. You're gonna have our support, and we're gonna work it out with you guys. Okay, so join today, and let's do this. This is the new MCA, guys. Don't miss the opportunity. All right, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, okay, and like this video. Bye.